Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Jericho Cruz, and Coach Leo Austria of San Miguel. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, tatlong sunod-sunod na panalo, hindi naging madali itong mga panalo na ito. Pero ano yung pinakamalaking factor or impact dito sa mga panalo na ito na you wish or you wanna see in Game 5 as you try to close out the series and win the championship?
I think the biggest impact is our first game. It fuels our grit. And then you can see naman from the player na talagang on their eyes, makikita mo yung fire. They want to win. And we have a bad start at the first quarter, but the bench step up a lot, and then they provided a lot of energy that very infectious to their teammate. And then we're able to tie the game and get the lead. And from there, so yung energy and intensity namin, naging aggressive sila. And then nakita nila na the chance is still there, although a very slow start. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanila before, the killer instinct. When it comes to end game, so you should not give up. And then that's what happened. And then we keep on reacting on what they are trying to do against us. There are so many combinations na ginawa sila, but the players reminded by the coaching staff na what to do. And that's what happened. And if you notice, this is the first time we shoot a lot from the 3 points area. I think 11, 13 out of 24. And never na nagiging double figures yun. I think that's one of the key. Although we're out-rebounded and turnover points, mataas pa rin sa kanila, but second chance points. But I think the players don't want to lose the game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jericho, nabanggit na ni Coach Leo about that Game 1 loss. To you personally, how did that light the fire in you? Because every time you come inside the court, iba rin talaga yung the way you play.
Yun nga, una-una, sayang yung pagkatalo namin nun eh. Kasi akala namin na we have a chance to win the game. Ayun nga lang, natulan ng minus ng points namin, natalo kami. Pero tapos na yun eh, move on na kami doon. Katulad ng mga sinasabi nila coach, nila Boss Al, pagpasok namin, paglaro namin, talagang put that in your head na every game parang it's your last game. Kaya ako, specifically sinasabi na ako ni Boss Al na laro mo na yung laro mo. Hayaan mo na yung mga taong nagsasabi na ganito, ganyan ka. Kasi ganyan ka maglaro eh. Let it be. Laro mo yung laro mo. Yun lang yung sinabi sa akin. Parang ganun din sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Leo din.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the press.
Jericho, congratulations. Jericho, three-pointers ka nung fourth quarter. Very crucial, last 8 minutes yun. How big was that considering you're also playing well in this final series?
Well, yun nga, katulad ng mga sinabi ko before, man step up lang ang ginagawa ko eh. Kung pangit yung nilaro or hindi masyadong maganda nilaro ng first group, dito kami ni Don to step up sa second group. So yun lang yung ginagawa namin. Binibigyan din namin ng motivation kasi pag maganda laro namin, pagpasok nila, mas lalong gaganda laro nila. So yun. Pero gusto ko rin mag-thank you kay Coach dahil sa tiwala niya binibigay sa akin. Hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin. Diba, Coach?
Of course.
Tagal lang yung pag-asama ni Coach.
Pagka wala na yun, wala ka na rin dito.
Babakasyon na ako yun, uwi na akong Guam niya. Ayun,
Coach, may gusto ko bang dagdag about Jericho?
Jericho Cruz, well, I know him since college. Alam ko yung kanyang tapang, alam ko yung strength, alam ko yung weaknesses niya. And then makikita nyo the right time, the right place, nag-step up siya. And kilala rin niya ako paano ako mag-coach. Ganyan. And then, I'm so happy I have a good relationship with the players, especially from college. And before kasi he's not supposed to be in the PBA. He wants to go back to USA after college. He wants his father to be enlisted in the US Navy. But I told him na you have a potential to be a good PBA player. And that's what happened. And from there, everything's history na niya yun.
Secret lang natin yung coach. Sinabi mo, secret lang natin yun.
Oo.
Coach, nung lumamang TNT, medyo nag-shuffle ka ng lineup. Si Chris Ross this time didn't play in the fourth quarter. But yung ibang mga role players mo na apart from Cruz, nag-deliver pa din despite yung comeback ng TNT.
Yeah, that's that's my grit na how to decide ako sino player. But I'm so happy with those players dahil confident ako sa kanila because in practice they keep on striving hard to get the opportunity. And if you notice in the last quarter, we don't have a natural point guard. And I know Jericho can handle the ball and Perez also can handle the ball as well as Don Trollano because I'm just reacting to the move of our opponent dahil nag-big lineup sila. Actually, 4 big sila Si Kumbontin, si Roser, at saka si Eram, and then si Optana. Ayun, averaging 6'5" in height. But buti na lang, hindi nila tinake advantage. And it happens na yung mga maliliit namin, yung energy nila, yun ang nag-provide a lot of hustle and points. Dahil makikita mo, yung turnover points namin medyo umakyat naging 22. At the start kami maraming turnover But only one thing ang gusto kong i-appreciate sa kanila everybody wants to win and talaga nakapokus sila naandun yung sense of urgency. But we don't have to be complacent with the 3-1 score is not safe because it happens a lot of times.
Coach, anong sabi mo sa depensa nyo kasi nung first half na limit nyo si Optana, hindi nakascore. Yung shooting nila hindi gaano nag-click Ano lang yung masabi mo sa depensa ng team?
If you notice, Token is shooting a lot from the 3 points area. Actually, yung first 2 games nila, more than 50% ang kanilang tira sa labas So we have to extend our defense from the perimeter because they know their big man at the post minimal lang yun yung impact maybe because that's the philosophy of the coach every coach naman have the different philosophy but they are successful in that but this is a championship game so everybody have their own adjustment and I think our adjustment nag-click para sa kanila.
Coach, marami ng injury ang TNT tingin mo ba advantage to sa inyo heading into Game 5?
Yeah, this is a championship game. Those injured players, nakita naman natin we thought na Eram will not play because of the degree of nangyari sa kanyang sprain but he's here playing I think mahaba pa rin yung kanyang nilaro but and then some of the players si Enciso and then players under injury but that's part of the game you can never know what will happen so may injury sila o wala they keep on fighting hard and nakita naman natin until the last 8 minutes doon lang kami humabol
Coach, may nakikita ka pa bang kulang sa team mo kasi halos parang kahit adversity na overcome nyo sa series meron pa bang kulang para sa'yo?
Yeah, I think yan yung yan nakikita na marami na sabi nila kompleto kaming team. There's a lot of improvement for our team. That's the thinking of the management and the coaching staff. We have to keep on improving. So we cannot settle for this performance, but we have to excel in some department because that's how we compete. You keep on learning every day.
All right. If there are no more questions, that is it for our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen. See you in Game 5.
Thank you.